For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The US Food and Drug Administration has approved a new testing method called the Saliva Direct. The testing method looks to make testing COVID-19 samples a lot simpler and affordable. The US FDA granted the emergency authorization to the Yale School of Public Health after a trial on the National Basketball Association's players and staff. The test uses saliva to detect the novel coronavirus. The FDA has said that these new kits enhance the testing capacity and called them a game changer. Being able to perform a test without these kits enhances the capacity for increased testing while reducing the strain on available resources. Any special type of swab or collection device is not required under the new protocol, which will make the process easier and less resource dependent. While the new test includes the earlier molecular process called RT-qPCR, it does not require a separate nucleic acid extraction step. The current widely available system of testing relies on the nasopharyngeal swabs or NP swabs. The swabs are often uncomfortable to apply and require an expert. Due to large demand, these swabs and current testing protocols are limited in number. Researchers have said that testing for the virus using saliva will increase the testing compliance. You don't have to stick to an uncomfortable swab up your nose, which will increase testing compliance. This also protects healthcare workers from potential exposure to sick patients and works around worldwide swab shortages. The new test does not require the time-consuming and expensive process of extracting the nucleic acid from samples before testing. For Saliva Direct, we have worked out how to skip this step, making it accessible to more labs. However, the researchers at Yale have made the testing an open source. This means that researchers are not looking at making profits. There is an altruistic component to Saliva Direct tests. The testing method is open source, which means that designated laboratories could follow the protocol to obtain the required components and perform the test in their lab according to Yale's instructions for use. According to the data released by the researchers, Saliva Direct matched the nasopharyngeal swab and other saliva testing methods at an 88 to 94% rate. This method could be an answer to researchers who are looking for a COVID-19 test method less invasive and less expensive than the nasopharyngeal swabbing. The commissioner of the FDA has said that flexibility of Saliva Direct can be groundbreaking. Providing this type of flexibility for processing saliva samples to test for COVID-19 infection is groundbreaking in terms of efficiency and avoiding shortages of crucial test components like reagents. The important question here is, who is going to manufacture the kits? The researchers have an answer for that too. The test is designed to use various common and available reagents, and hence no new manufacturing is needed. Any eligible testing lab can obtain the free license.